Hi everyone, today I will show you how to deposit money to Coinbase with Revolut, how to change your currency, and how to make a first buy on Coinbase, for example Bitcoin, step by step. On the end of the video we will have a look at how to earn crypto basic attention token BAT with Brave browser. Before we start, if you register on Coinbase with my link in the description below, we both get $10. It's simple, just register with that link, buy or sell $100 or more, or $100 equivalent of your domestic currency, approximately £80, within 180 days of opening your account. We both receive a $10 or $10 equivalent of your domestic currency, approximately £8, when the order completes. Okay, firstly change the currency to British pound, click on your avatar in the right top corner and go to preferences. Switch to your local currency from US dollar to British pound. Alright, so now just send some funds to your Revolut account, and when your money arrives to your Revolut account, just go to your portfolio on Coinbase. Scroll down and find the British pound and choose a deposit. Press copy a reference number, tick a box and continue. The reference number is very important to write proceed your bank transfer. If you type in the next steps wrong number in a Revolut application, you do not get your money on your Coinbase account and you can lose your money. But do not worry, you will see one more time your reference number in next step for double check. We have all information for payment. In Revolut, go to Payments and press Bank Transfer. Add the bank account. Choose a business. And fill the form exactly how it's shown here. After you fill that, go again to Payment and Bank Transfer. Choose a bank account where you add it and click on Send. On this screen, type the amount what you want to deposit and under this amount type your reference number. Take your time and rather check twice if you wrote the number right. Okay, so when your funds arrived after few minutes, you will be notified here. Now go to portfolio and choose cryptocurrency what you wanna buy. I'll pick up Bitcoin. Press buy. Here put the amount what you wanna spend and choose a British pound wallet and press preview buy. Here you can see all order information. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you wanna support me, you can use these QR codes for donates. Also, they are in the description below. Do not quit this video because now I will show you how to earn crypto basic attention tokens, but just with using a Brave browser. Brave is free open source web browser based on the Chromium browser, blocks advertisements and website trackers and provide a way for users to send cryptocurrencies contributions in the form of basic attention tokens to websites and content creators. But you can switch this function off and withdraw these tokens to your wallet just for using a Brave. Here you can see your summary. Go to Brave Reward in top right option and check your options. In auto contribute, you can support, for example, your favorite YouTubers monthly. You can also set up how many advertisements do you want to have per hour. You can use my referral download link to support me. Thank you for watching, hopefully it helps to someone and thank you for your support. Bye.